Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cave with clay easy guide. Press clay into a curved mold to form the cave shell, then add layers for rock texture and stability. Score and slip all joins, smooth seams with a damp tool, and hollow the interior for depth. Carve details with loop tools, add subtle undercuts for shadow, and finish surfaces for firing or air drying as needed. Begin by centering a clay ball on a turntable to form a rounded entrance, then press gently to create a hollow interior. Build up the back wall with slabs, scoring and slipping each joint for strength. Carve rock textures with ribs and loop tools, blending with a damp sponge for realism. Reinforce fragile overhangs with temporary props, and refine edges to ensure a natural, cohesive cave silhouette before drying. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and brings more clay tips your way. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker has been great for studio playlists and timers while I work, and it pairs perfectly with hands-free clay shaping. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Texturing is where your clay cave gains character, so work in stages to avoid overworking the surface. Start by carving broad striations for rock layers, then introduce smaller pits and chips with stamps or scrapers. Use diluted slip or oxide washes to settle into crevices and suggest mineral variation. Blend highlights with a soft brush, preserve undercuts for shadow, and let pieces dry slowly to prevent cracking before final firing or sealing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.